You want to try the right banana pancake? Hello and welcome. Welcome to Yah-tah Lifestyle. This morning I'm going to share with you a breakfast. This morning I'm going to share with you a quick and easy breakfast meal. So we're going to make ripe banana pancake from scratch. So all we need is one ripe banana, well ripe, so easily squash. One egg and 1 tablespoon of self-rising flour. It's a kind of healthy meal, even though the flour is not so healthy. But so I'm using 1 tablespoon of self-rising flour. That means we need no baking powder, no salt. I just tip a little cinnamon in it. So let's start. One tablespoon of flour, and we mix it in until you get that texture, the little running texture like. In the meantime, you turn the stove on. I normally put it on 4 because I don't want it to be too high nor too low. Too low, it's gonna take too much time. Too high, it's gonna burn. So I normally put it on 4. So like in between, like a little above low and a little below medium. So basically it would be like medium. Put it on medium. Or maybe you can gauge it to how fast you want it to be done. So let's grease the pot. I'm gonna put a little butter in there, just a little bit of butter. This is 100 calories per serving, so we have to use just a little bit, just to grease the pot. Just to grease the pot. As you can see, just a little bit. So I don't need to fry, I don't know. So here is the mixture. Let me see if I can lower this a little bit. All right. Here's the mixture. It's not too thick and it's not watery. I don't put no oil, just the butter. I didn't put any oil or anything in there. Just the banana, the egg, and the flour. And it tastes really good. And if you want, it's up to you. You can tip a little milk in it, like just a little milk to, you can just tip a little milk in it. But I naturally don't use the milk. I just use it just as it is. Just the banana, the flour, and the egg. As you can see, guys, how brown it is and fluffy. So naturally, guys, the pancake is ready. Naturally, I don't use I know you heat it with syrup because the banana is You want to try the ripe banana pancake. I'm eating it with eggs. It tastes real good, and it's healthy because it's all natural. The only additives that may in it is the flour, because the flour is self-rising flour, but it's all natural. Try it. It's good. This pancake cannot be eaten with pancake syrup. Because it is already sweet. So you don't need the syrup, which is added sugar. That's too much. Try it, guys. It's good.